Hi guys, this is Miss Whitehurst. Welcome to week 3. What we're going to talk about today is your attendance, a little conversation about late work, your discussion boards, and your summative assessment for this week. A reminder for attendance, please make sure that you log into our Google Classroom every Monday to complete your attendance question for the week. Remember, you must complete your weekly attendance on Monday. When you submit other assignments throughout the week, that will serve as evidence of your attendance for the other days. Okay, so please make sure that you are doing that on Monday. A question to prove that you watched this video, please answer in the comments on the attendance question. If you could have any superpower, what would you choose and why? Late work. Okay, so I still have some of you who have not finished assignments for week 1 or week 2. Please make sure that you are staying on top of your classwork. If you have not completed your work in a timely manner, this will mean that I need to get in touch with your parents. I've already sent a couple emails to some of you asking you to make sure that you are staying on track. A reminder that I have for you that I think will help is please remember to stay organized. I know this is difficult at home, but please keep track of all of your classes, and my recommendation is that you physically write down your weekly assignments and your meeting times. This will help ensure that you don't forget about a class or an important assignment. You can use your agenda for this if you have a whiteboard in your room or poster paper. Just stay organized, write everything down, and come up with a plan to make it happen. If you need an extension on a deadline, please reach out to me through email. I've had a couple of you do that. Mistakes happen, you're learning, this is all new. If you need more time, just let me know. Okay, but you need to make sure that you have gone back, you've completed all of the work for week 1, week 2, and you're working productively on week 3 this week. All of your assignments are posted on Monday and are due on Friday. So that means your week 3 assignments will be due this Friday. Discussion boards. Do not rush through these responses. I've seen some of them that seem rushed. Maybe you're not fully answering the question or you haven't thought about it. So think through the questions, find the strongest piece of evidence to support your analysis, and make sure that you read the instructions and address all of the questions that are asked. Use your replies effectively. Don't fall back on, I agree, good job, or I like that you did this. Instead, I want you to think of extending the conversation like you were talking to this person face to face. Remember, your replies should be a minimum of 3 sentences each. You need to have 2 replies each week. It is always okay for you to have more. I highly recommend looking at what people post on yours and again continuing that conversation. Reply back to them. If they ask you a question, maybe you can pose an answer. Keep the conversation going. You do have another summative assessment this week. It is also on Google Slides. Please make sure that you are submitting your work through Google Classroom with Google Slides. I've had some of you email me your assignments instead. Please try first to figure out how to upload the Google Slides file. If you're in our Google Classroom and you click on the Google Slides summative and you're typing on it through there, you should see something that says turn in or submit once you have completed the assignment. Okay, so please make sure you are submitting through Google Classroom. That's it. It's short and sweet this week. This says, what if they realize that students can learn at home? Actually, it says, what if they realize that students can learn at home and they replace all teachers with robots? What I want you to do this week, again, just to kind of show that you have read this, this meme and you've seen this video, reply in the stream. Do you think that this could actually happen? Could teachers be replaced by robots? What do you think the future of education looks like? What are the benefits and advantages of online learning versus face-to-face learning? This is more of an informal, casual question. I'm just curious to hear your responses and what you think might happen with the future of education. What are your opinions? What are your ideas? I'm excited to hear from you. Bye.